Imagine getting out of bed to check your phone and seeing the payment notification arrive. $100, $200, $300, and even $500 just keep rolling on autopilot without stopping. You can repeat this list of 5 passive income apps that will pay you $800 or more each time, not just 1 or 2. Simply follow my simple instructions, download the app, register for an account, and set it up using my examples to accomplish this on an Android or iPhone. You'll be equipped to start making money once you've done watching this video. Again, the more apps you use, the more money you'll make. So make sure to watch all the way to the end to find out about these 5 apps so you can start earning as much as you can. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. The video should now begin. In this one, I'll be showing you a few different money-making websites and applications, so be sure to read all the way through to find out about them all to maximize your earnings. Today, I want to introduce you to SurveyTime.io as the first website. On this website, you can instantly receive $1 for each survey you complete. The best feature for this website is that every service is incredibly easy and simple to use, taking you less than a minute to finish each one. In a moment, I'll show you a few different surveys and samples, but for now, allow me to just list the various methods of payments this website offers. You can choose to withdraw money using Coinbase, a gift card from Amazon or Target, or even straight into your PayPal account. By using Facebook, Google, or Twitter, you can instantly create a free account. Alternatively, you can simply enter your email address and check the "I agree to the terms and conditions" box before clicking the Start Now button. You'll be taken to this website after creating a free account, where you will be asked a few things so that they can send you the most pertinent survey. To begin right away, all you need to do is go over here and click this button. It will then take you to this page where you have to respond to a total of 31 questions. In order to give you the survey that is most relevant for you, the majority of the questions concern your personal information, such as your birthday, country of residence, hobbies, and interests. It will take you around 5 minutes to complete this particular survey. But when you finish your initial surveys, each following survey will only take you less than 60 seconds to complete, which is incredibly rapid. Repeatedly completing this survey will earn you $1. I'll try my best to provide you an additional tip as usual. Currently, you may access it through Junk Fill, a Google search, or by downloading a free Google Chrome extension. With over 8,000 users right now, they use artificial intelligence technology to fill out surveys and forms for consumers. Surprisingly, not many people are aware of this excellent and practical tool. The second website that we will visit is ProfitProductCreator.com. This exact tool is used by many people to produce up to $1,000 in daily online sales utilizing only digital goods and totally free exposure. Many people are doing this every hour and minute by employing profit product producers to generate sales and commissions. You realize that digital items are the future if you're wanting to make thousands of dollars per month and want to elevate your revenue to the next level. Using online courses and ebooks, many prosperous business people and marketers are selling digital goods and earning millions of dollars. The good news is that you can use this exact tool, called Profit Product Creator, to make your own phenomenally successful digital products in less than 60 seconds. It's also very user-friendly for those who have never made money online before. You can use it to generate done-for-you digital goods that you can start selling to other people, such as ebooks, online courses, online training, and so forth. The best part about them is that, in addition to being of the highest quality and having a proven track record of success, this system will give you access to free traffic, allowing you to use your digital products to use them to sell courses, ebooks, or other products online and make a lot of commissions every day. Complete beginners can do it with no problem. The third website that we visit is RemoteAsk.com. You can make money on your website by completing a few quick and easy tasks and you can do it on your phone, computer, or both from the convenience of your home. This is exactly how this website functions right now. To create a global account, you must first sign up for Facebook for free. Then, you must enroll and obtain certification for the many jobs and job categories that you are qualified to perform. Once you are pleased, you may move on to other categories. I'll give you a few examples in a moment. As soon as the job is done, you can get paid and earn money. Once every week, money can be paid directly into a PayPal account. These are just a few examples of the many simple chores that you may finish, starting with images. You can draw bounding boxes around various objects to let others know where things are. For instance, you could use your mobile device to draw a box or a line around a car and get paid for each job. In addition, they provide categorization, OCR transcription, and 3D annotation. You are asked to group each of the various photographs they offer into a range of categories. You might be asked to draw a distinction between a black and a white car right here in the comparison category. All you have to do is outline the object they want you to draw on the black automobile with a straight line of boxes. Last but not least, you must carry out some straightforward internet research for the data collection category. Before entering information into a document, search and browse to acquire it. They are all fairly easy chores that anyone can perform without any prior training. Click on this button to create a free account if you'd like to. You'll be directed to a page where you can read more about this opportunity and register a free account by just using your Facebook or Google accounts. Let's now visit ugenbot.com, the fourth website. With the first totally natural robot content, Ugen Bots enables you to build automated profit sites and earn over $350 per day. They will also provide you with unrestricted traffic for free every day of the week, as well as simple one-click monetization. We are all aware that many bloggers publish straightforward articles and blog entries while also making a sizable income. For instance, the monthly revenue from these blogs about cattle is around $40,000, whereas the monthly revenue from these blogs on food or recipe is $46,000. Another example is this parenting and budgeting site, which earns more than $80,000 a month. Simply put, there are a ton of distinct blog categories and niches. For instance, a site on purchasing cars earns $125,000 per month, followed by a blog about family life and travel that earns over $170,000 per month. By creating blog entries and running a blog, you can earn a lot of money. Each year, many prosperous bloggers and business owners make 5 or 6 figures in passive income. Some even surpass 7 figures and make millions. You can achieve the same level of financial success with Ugen Bots assistance. The choice of a subject or niche is the first step. The second step entails employing Ugen Bots to activate the automatic profit site. And the third is to monetize using a variety of passive income sources. One highly effective technique to generate money with a blog that has already been done for you is to earn online affiliate commissions. Using Google AdSense, you may monetize your blogs in addition to receiving affiliate commissions. You may add a number of adverts to your site with just one click, and the potential earnings are endless. The last app we'll discuss is called BuzzBreak, or you may visit buzzbreak.news to read news on your phone and make money online for free. On an iPhone or an Android, you can perform this. For instance, I can browse my Google Play Store and free download this software by clicking this icon right here. BuzzBreak Read, Funny Videos, and Earn Free Cash is the name of the app. And after creating a free account, you may access a variety of news to read inside your dashboard. To begin reading the news, simply click on any of these titles. Every day, the news will be updated, and after you've accumulated points, you can exchange them for actual money. You can deposit the money directly into your PayPal account. Use a bank transfer, Bitcoin, or another cryptocurrency to complete the cash out process. They are receiving over 324,000 reviews overall, and they are obtaining 4.4 stars, which is extremely impressive. As you can see, this program has received a lot of favorable comments and reviews. So you should give it a try if you want to make money online for free simply by reading the news. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video, and I'll see you there.